Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify international. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and find the Markets section. Here, you can define specific regions or countries where you want to sell your products. This initial setup is crucial for tailoring your store's experience to diverse global customers. It allows you to manage pricing, products, and content uniquely for each market, ensuring a localized approach from the start. Once your markets are defined, you can customize their settings. Decide whether to use local currencies with automatic conversion or set fixed prices for each market. For example, you might offer a product for $20 in the United States and Euros 18 in Europe. This flexibility helps you stay competitive and appealing to customers worldwide, optimizing your profit margins across different economic zones. Language localization is key to connecting with international buyers. Shopify integrates with various translation apps that can automatically translate your store's content. Review and refine these translations to ensure they sound natural and culturally appropriate. Offering your store in a customer's native language significantly enhances their shopping experience and builds trust, leading to higher conversion rates. Finally, address international shipping and taxes. Create specific shipping zones and rates for each market to avoid unexpected costs for customers. Research and apply the correct tax settings for each region, ensuring compliance with local regulations. This prevents issues at customs and provides transparency. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.